Quiz 5 is all about teaching us the quick and easy way to find a derivative of a problem. So they're using the notation dy dx right now. We've seen f prime of x back on quiz 4 talking about a derivative, and this is the first time they use dy dx. And so just know that dy dx is the exact same as f prime of x. They're both just saying find the derivative. So we take the equation they've given us, y equals 5x, and they want us to find the derivative of this equation. To do that, we're going to use what's known as the power rule. And so the power rule just says bring the power down and subtract 1 from the power. So here, there's an unwritten 1 on the power for our x right there. So what we're doing, we're going to do step 1. We bring the power down and we multiply it by that 5 in front. So we're going to get dy dx now, because we're talking about our derivative. 1 times 5 is going to give us 5. And we get x, and then the second part of this says subtract 1 from the power. So I subtract 1 from the power. 1 minus 1 gets me x to the 0. We just want to remind ourselves that anything, no matter what, raised to the 0 power is always 1. So essentially what we're looking at right now is 5 times 1. So we don't really need the 1 there. We would just get 5. So on equations like this, where it's just a number times x, whatever that number is sitting up in front is always just going to be what your derivative is, and the x is going to drop off.